Tired of battling rock-hard brown sugar every time you open the pantry? What if you could keep your brown sugar soft and fresh for up to 6 months without fuss or waste? Brown Sugar Bear promises exactly that. A simple, effective way to maintain moisture in your brown sugar and more, so you can enjoy baking without the hassle. Here's the story. Brown Sugar Bear is crafted from specially fired, food-safe clay designed to hold and release moisture slowly. Just soak it in water for 20 minutes, pat it dry, and place it in your brown sugar container or other baked goods. The clay works like magic, keeping your sugar soft and ready to use. No more chiseling or tossing out hardened sugar. It's not just for brown sugar either. Use it with granulated sugar, turbinado, sugar substitutes, even cakes, cookies, marshmallows, and dried fruit to preserve their moisture and freshness. Plus, if you want to keep things dry, use the Bear Dry to absorb excess moisture from spices, salt, crackers, pretzels, and chips, keeping them crisp and flavorful. What makes Brown Sugar Bear stand out is its reusability and ease of care. Rinse it with clean water only, no soap, so you never risk strange tastes or smells. When your sugar starts to harden again, just repeat the soaking process. Customers rave about how well it works, sharing stories of how their pantry staples stay fresh longer, even in less than ideal storage conditions. One user said it transformed their cabin pantry, turning wasted brown sugar into soft, usable sweetness overnight. If that's you, someone who loves baking but hates the hassle of hard sugar, this is worth a look. Ready to stop wasting time and money on dried-out brown sugar? Brown Sugar Bear fits right into your baking routine, preserving moisture for months and keeping your ingredients just right. Whether you're a casual cook or a baking enthusiast, it's a small tool that makes a big difference. Try it when you're ready, and enjoy soft, fresh sugar and snacks every time you open the jar.